It's really common that I'll hear people say that because they can do something, that they should do something, or that they should be able to do something. And I give you some examples of that. It's not uncommon for me to represent judges who are in a little bit of trouble for something that they've done in the course of being a judge that brought them sort of scrutiny. And one of the things that judges do from time to time is that they'll engage in some sort of litigation on their own behalf. And sometimes whenever judges do that, they'll let the other side know that they're a judge, and that can cause some problems because the other side thinks that they're using their position as a judge to their benefit, which a judge cannot do. You can't use that to influence the outcome of litigation or the other party's dealings with you. And it is absolutely within the right of a judge to represent themselves. Like, they still retain certain rights as an individual despite being a judge. But just because they can do that thing doesn't mean that they should do it. And you think about it, they could very easily have avoided one of the biggest problems that they have in their life just by having a lawyer who represents them. That is a really common example that judges run into. People frequently will say, hey, I got hurt in this accident and I don't want to use my health insurance. And that is absolutely within their province to do that. They have every right to say, I don't want to use my insurance. I mean, hey, this other person caused this injury, they caused this harm. Why should I be using my insurance to pay for this? And that is certainly something that a lot of people look at and go, yeah, you're right. You shouldn't, your benefit that you paid for should not be used to offset the injury that this other person has caused for you. And that would be a huge financial mistake for the vast majority of people. Not using your health insurance after you've been hurt in an accident probably costs more people money than anything else that I can think of in an injury case. So just because you can do something doesn't mean necessarily that you should do something. And you should really consider, like, hey, am I putting this sort of principled stance in front of what is clearly to my own pragmatic self-interest?